So there you go. As you can see, some of this I've been paying out, some of them I've been receiving money. So money has been going in, money has been going out. And I'm going to share with you this method, and I'm going to show you how you can make money on autopilot just with little to no work. That's what I'm going to share with you. So I'm going to help you and show you a way how you can leverage someone else's time. So you don't have to do all this, because if some of you know me by now, I do a lot of things online, how to make money, affiliate marketing, and multiple different ways. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, hey, drop a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, let me know in the comments. Now I'm going to share with you how you can make money using and leveraging someone else's work, else's time. So this doesn't require you to go out there and post a bunch of stuff. This is going to take a little bit of time, a little bit of your effort, but most of it is going to be through someone else. So this is how you can make money on autopilot over and over again just by what I'm going to share with you. So keep watching this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip to the end of it, because you're going to miss out the most important things. And I'm going to share with you some tools that you can use to leverage this method. So let's jump into the video right away. Now, the website that you're going to sign up for is Market Health. And Market Health is a health and wellness. It's a fitness. It's all about health. I wouldn't say it's health, beauty. There's makeup. There's all that type of stuff. And there's health related products that you can come on here and you can find and you can promote. Now, the power that we're going to be using is affiliate marketing, right? Because affiliate marketing, it doesn't require you to go out there and build your own product or your services and all that. All you have to do is just refer someone else to a particular product. If the product has integrity, you did all your research and all that, you can just go ahead and promote it. Nothing is wrong with it. Now, what I'm going to share with you is a really cool trick that you can make money on autopilot, again, on someone's effort. So the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we find a product that is worthwhile promoting. We want to make sure that it's good. We want to check it out. So again, do your research, do what you have to do, not a problem. Now, if you do come on here, you see a lot of offers. There's business opportunities, there's email offers, there's men's health, there's skincare, there's weight loss, there's colon health, right? So email offers, let's say you want to do email offers. And what does this mean? This means that email offer is like digestive email offer. It's like a CPA. So cost per acquisition. That's what it means. That's what it stands for. Now, if you look here, you see digestive offer email, and there's a bunch of different products that you can find. There's green coffee bean, there's idle lash email offer. So this is like lashes, like people want longer, darker, thicker, beautiful eyelashes. Like this right here, this is huge. So we can click on it and see what are they offering. Now, I normally go and view it, look at it, see if it's something that is worthwhile, look at the landing page, look at their sales page. And if you look at it, it looks good. The website, it's not like the newest thing, but it looks really good. I like how it looks. And I get beautify eyelashes in weeks, all that. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go for, I'm just gonna use this. Again, come through here, do your research. There's plenty of offers in here that you can find. There's so many different things. So make sure when you come in here, you find something to promote, okay? So find something to promote and then you promote. So we're gonna go back to this. I'm gonna go back to this lash, right? Lash offer. And this is going to be your tracking link. So you copy this link. What you want to do is you want to copy this link, and then you're going to head on over to Bitly. So you want to head on over to bitly.com, and you want to paste the link right in here. Let me put it in here. Paste the link in there. All right. So I'm just going to get off camera for a bit. So here's the link. You can name it if you want it. You can put lash extension, if that's what you want to call it. Nothing is wrong with that. You can put down here, you can put lash extension. This is probably taken. I'm sure it's probably is. Yep, because everybody likes it. Lash extension, um, extension one. Let me see what I have. Let me just put number one. All right, so we copy this. So this link, this is what we're gonna use, and this is how we're gonna be able to leverage someone else and make money online with no work, a little bit of effort. This is all you have to do, and everything will be taken care of. So that's why you want to find good products. You want to make sure that the product is good. Make sure it's hot selling. If you come on here and you don't find a particular product, reach out to your account manager, because your account manager will tell you, okay, Andre, this is the hottest product right now. I think you should use this and to promote, right? Don't be afraid to email them and ask them, hey, what are the top offers right now? Because I want to send some ready hot buyers, people that's going to buy this right away. That's what you have to do. And they will tell you what's selling, what's out there, what's there to offer, because you help make money. The affiliate managers, they make money too. So it's a win-win situation. So once you get your affiliate link, the next thing we want to do is we want to go and find a place where we can let someone else leverage and do this for you on your behalf. Because I know some of you are probably busy. You ain't got time for all this. So we're going to go over to a website that is called influencer-cart.com. So influencer-cart.com. So as soon as you go to influencer, make sure you sign up. Just come on over here and you want to sign up. It is absolutely free. And you're going to find a bunch of different influencers. So if we're into, let's say, the makeup, beauty, all that stuff, right? What we want to do is, if we're in the beauty, we want to find someone that is in the fashion, style, beauty, right? Beauty, cosmetic, personal care, because that's what. So once you click on here, there's multiple different price. You can type in the price, you can go to maximum price, right? That you want to pay for the services. So if you look here, this is 100,000 followers and they're starting at $5. So if you look at it, if you spend $5, right? You spend $5 to make $45. That's way over 400, right? Because some of these influencers, they'll keep your link up there for like the entire day. It all depends. If you're starting at $5, you can negotiate with them as well. Right? Like if you look at this, they're starting, right? They're starting at $10. Okay. So you want to look and see, all right, where are their audience from? This is from Brazil. US. These are from Mexico, Brazil. There's India. There's a mixture. So make sure you go through here like this. This is United States, 49,000. They're starting at 10. So people in the US will always want to go a little bit higher. And the reason for that is because they know it's such a bigger market. Like this particular website. So again, it's beauty, it's cosmetic. Make sure you check out and you find a good particular website that is into the beauty. Like this is, and I always do, so classy woman. So I'll click on it and I'll go here and I'll highlight this, classy woman. So I'll head on over to Instagram just for the sake of it. And then when I go to Instagram, I go here, I try to find it, classy. Okay, so there it is. So classy woman. So there you go. So you find it, right? And they're empowering women. There's a lot of engagement on this. So yes, you can find buyers out of this, like over 600, over 631,000 people. Like if you can't find, like if you don't get a sale, man, their followers must probably ain't buying anything. But I know that for sure that you can do this with little to no work. And all you have to do is you're gonna grab your affiliate link, and this is where you do all the transaction in here. So you do the transaction in here, you buy now, right? So best shout out results, like and post, 15 to 25K, highly engaged female page, 80% females, most active or from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern time. So you see that. So you can come here and you can buy, you pay for it, you give them your affiliate link. So this is the link that you would grab, the one that we've created, So we'll just copy it. We'll go here, you do your payment, all that. You give them the link. And as soon as you give them the link, they're going to put it up at whatever time. And then as soon as you do that, you're going to see money start rolling in. All right. And you start getting sales. So you spend a little bit of money and you get some in return. It's all about business. You spend some money to make some money. So you can try it out. Look at some, several different influencers. Not only, right, you can look on here and you can find food and nutrition. What if you want to do health? What if you want to do pets and animal? What if you want to grab some affiliate links over at ClickBank? What if you want to go to JV Zoo, right? Do your research, go in here and find some influencers that you can make money. So this is a great way how you can get started to make money, to on autopilot, automatic, little to no effort. That's all you can do, and you can bring in some money. So again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you check out the next video. Make up to $457 within minutes of work. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.